In this section, we will see polar coordinate method to draw and modify geometric shapes and lines. Last two sessions we have seen absolute coordinate method and relative coordinate method. Hope you have practiced well to draw and modify in those methods where we have least used the mouse actually to pick the first point only. Okay, come back to this method. In this method, we are dealing with angular direction and the distance moved. So in order to give our input value, we use the symbols at the rate and less than to mention the angular direction. Let's see this figure number 1. Here it is clearly mentioned what should be the angle measurements covered in each quadrant. See, therefore this x-axis is our 0 angle direction, that is 0 degree, and 90 degree is coming here. This y-axis will be our 90 degree. And why we are starting our x-axis as 0 degree? Because we usually measure angles in anti-clockwise direction from the origin. So in this method also we are giving at the right symbol to make sure the active point is our origin point. Okay, let us see the next figure. Okay, this figure. The line shown here at an unit length of 5 units, an angle of 30 degrees. So this line length is 5 units and the angle the line is moving at an angle of 30 degree with respect to our x-axis. Let us try to draw how this can be. Let us try to draw this in our AutoCAD file. So I am taking the command line. Let me start my line from here. So I am giving the line length is 5 units at an angle of 30 degrees. So I am giving initially at the rate and the length of line 5, then the symbol less than, we are giving the angle description. See, the line is completed. If you measure the line, you can see the length is 5 units. Okay, if you want to measure the angle, you will see the angular measurement here. This is 30 degrees. See, this is how we will draw using polar coordinate method. Okay, we have another figure over here. This is an H, where all the distance are given there. Let me start the line from here. I will start to draw this shape from this point. Okay, let me change all these things. Okay. We will start freshly from here, taking the command. Okay. Now we will see what is the movement here. 2 is the movement from this point to this point. So I am giving the input as at the rate 2 angle. It is moving in the x-axis. So I am giving the degree of angle 0. Now the line is moving upwards, that is towards y-axis direction at a distance of 4 units. So I am giving at the rate 4 angle 90 degree. Okay, now the line is moving towards x-axis again 4 units distance. So 4 angle 0. Now again it is going down 4 angle. Down means 270 degree, or else you can give it as minus 90. You can give it as minus 90 also. Either you can give it as 270 or you can give it as minus 90. At the right 2 angle 0. Here also we are not using the mouse. Okay, mouse is keeping silent there. We are not using the mouse. Now this is moving 10 units upward. Here you see 10 units upward. So at the rate 10 angle 90 degree. At the rate 2 angle 180 degree. Here we are giving 180 degree. Negative x-axis means 180 degree. Okay, 0, 4. Here we will give minus 90. It is coming negative y-axis direction. Or you can give it as 270. Both are correct. So angle 180. Here instead of 180 you cannot give minus 0. It is not valid. So you have to give minus 180 itself. Again 4 angle 90 at the rate 2 angle 180. I can give directly close command to complete the figure. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.